Yeah. Group. Eunice, you may start.
Bacteria, Jesus, lacto back remakes fermentation of food possible with a question mark. Fermentation is the food processing is the process of converting carbohydrates to alcohol or organic acids using microorganisms, yeast or bacteria under ano, anaerobic,
Anaerobic.
anaerobic,
Anaerobic. Okay, so it
anaerobic, yeah, condition.
anaerobic condition. So through fermentation, products such as cheese, pickles, soy sauce, vinegar, wine, and yogurt are possible. When we are saying anaerobic conditions, ibig sabihin we do not need oxygen in order to produce these products. And bacteria is doing their job in order to ferment this kind of products. Next, Eunice.
Some bacteria live in the intestines to help digest and destroy harmful organisms. Break down such substances such as fiber and other starches and sugars in food that cannot be digested. In plant cell walls, bacteria create enzymes that get to digest carbohydrates. Without these bacteria, much of the nutritional value of plant matter will be because this help us digest
Spinach
times
like.
like
Spinach like
spinach,
plant
like
foods.
plant foods.
Okay, so you're familiar with what they are saying, good bacteria, right? So Lactobacilli is a good bacteria that helps in digestion. Bacteria are are very important in breaking down the food that we are eating. Without the help of this bacteria, the harmful organisms that may enter our body cannot be destroyed. So they are still important in our digestive system. Next.
Bacteria helps protect the body with vitamins.
Okay, so unexpectedly, but there are bacteria living in our mouth, nose, and skin that cannot be seen by the naked eye. But they are serving as a good bacteria because they are also protecting us for other microbes. So the bacteria in your mouth that serves its purpose. Okay? Merong purpose yan. Kung bakit meron tayong bacteria sa bibig. And if they will be also destroyed together with the bad bacteria, it may cause damage also sa ating oral hygiene. So, ganun din sa nose and sa ating skin. Because if they are not present at all, other microbes that which were harmful in the first place can enter our body. Other uses of bacteria, we also have the presence of bacteria in our digestive system that also helps our immune system in order to fight other microorganisms that may enter our body. In bioremediation, kung nabasa niyo dyan sa book, they are using bacteria in order to break down solid waste such as oil spill in our aquatic ecosystems. Nitrogen fixing bacteria are very much helpful in order to produce nitrogen in our atmosphere. So yun pa yung added information about the uses of bacteria. How about the harmfulness? Eunice, you may continue.
Diseases caused by bacteria are tuberculosis, leprosy.
Okay, so some species of bacteria can cause diseases and even death at the same time. Next.
What causes if you have poisoning, vomiting, and tummy ache?
Okay, so harmful bacteria in food may cause food poisoning. And they gave the symptoms in order to know whether you ingested a contaminated food, which are vomiting and your tummy is aching. Very good. And last,
Leaf spots, wilting, tiny microscopic single-celled organisms are what cause bacterial leaf spot.
so in plants, some species causes leaf spots. So I think this kind of appearance of plants are somehow familiar to you. You can observe that sa ibang mga halaman that you can see in our environment. So we can assume that they were affected by some species of bacteria that caused them to wilt or yun nga, leaf spots in Filipino para silang natuyo or namatay. Okay, so good job, bacteria group. You completed all the information needed. Let's proceed to the fungi group first. Oh, the composition. You're not able to gather information about the composition. Okay, so let me explain. Whenever there is a decomposition happening, the nutrient, no, should be returned to the soil. And the fungi is doing the job of the composition. Remember, in our food chain, fungi is one of the decomposers. And they are the one that eats decaying matter or decaying organisms na namatay na. So what they are doing is they are breaking down the nutrients and then they just simply returning it to the soil. So that is how the composition happens. Next, baking. Wala ring baking. Okay. Okay, so yeast as a fungi has a big role in baking. So nakikita niyo yung butas-butas dyan? So, yan yung carbon dioxide na na-produce inside the bread because of the yeast. Okay? So, yeast is the one that makes the bread, to rise or in Filipino, umaalsa. No? If yeast is not present in our pastries or breads, they cannot be as fluffy as it can be. Okay? Medicine such as penicillin, the antibiotics that we have right now in order to fight different diseases that came from um, the discovery of uh, Fleming, okay, the one who discovered the antibiotic called penicillin. Okay. So I will just end this meeting and start a new one. Proteus, you may continue to this. I mean, the fungi group will continue to discuss their presentation. Okay po? Balik lang tayo.